want to ask you about an issue in New York right now. Dominique Strauss-Kahn, the former head of the IMF, who was just arraigned pleading not guilty to abusing a housekeeper at a hotel here in New York, a Muslim African woman.
Well, I think there's many things about the story that are very, very positive and many things that are horrific. We'll begin with horrific. You know, I think the fact that DSK raped and attacked a housekeeper in the Sofitel is not a surprise based on the history of DSK and the history of men in power and the history of the man who's the head of IMF, which is busy raping Africa anyway. I think, you know, we're not like shocked by that idea because based on interviews of everybody who's talked about him, down to Sarkozy, who told him after he hired him, don't be caught alone in a elevator with an intern. We don't want a scandal. Everyone in France was very aware of DSK's problem and really the fact that he had issues with women.
30 seconds.
I think what's amazing is that a woman has come forward to prosecute and that a female judge held it. And I think that is where the world has changed. And I think we all need to get behind that woman with all our beings and make sure she gets a fair trial and make sure she gets a lawyer and make sure she gets the kind of lawyers that DSK has so she will have equal justice.
We're going to leave it there. I thank you very much for being with us. Eve Ensler, the award-winning playwright, creator of the Vagina Monologues, and